Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. After 3 strong days, the Australian dollar ran into resistance and found close towards that 60-day moving average good supply that sent it back to the lows around 63.14. In light of the pattern, the RSI has buckled, and along with that, the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, managed to once again rebound and refresh its 11-month highs around 106.5. And looking ahead, the market is expected to be a little bit cautious as we get closer towards the Fed rate decision, which is expected to be announced. That is tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. with potential no change in rates and keeping around 5.5. Along with that, we also have the non-farm payrolls, which currently with a forecast of 179,000 jobs expected to be added, with the previous of 336,000 and the unemployment to hold around 3.8. I'm not going to get too bearish on the move from last night, and I feel this could give us opportunity once again from the low 63 to see a bounce and eventually see the challenge to that top side, which is seen around the 64.0515 or the 60-day moving average. A break there will give further scope up towards 64.70 and a target eventually to 65.35 to 45. The market found also a little bit of supply for the euro as it approaches the key level around 106.90 to 107.05. From there, the market found good supply, knocking it back all the way to the bottom side of the range, which I feel is around either 105.60 and a base that's holding where this downtrend, which was once resistance, now support at 104.90 to 105.15. Any opportunity to come towards that line should find demand, and therefore they expect to see a bounce. Eventually, I feel we will clear this level. This is around 107.05 and head on towards 108 to 109. A very strong move overnight for dollar yen, as you can see, as the market headed closer towards that key level after seeing 2 days of bearishness of 148.75, and the market come back with a Marubozu candle. Along with that, the Bank of Japan kept interest rates as widely expected at 0.1%. So no change there. And looking at the current pattern, we've also cleared resistance, which was seen at 151. I want to sit out for the moment because I'm a little bit uncomfortable. The fact is that after these levels, we did see or rumoured of an intervention. So no doubt the market will be whipsawed today. So maybe a little bit difficult to trade. So therefore, I'd rather sit out and see how the market plays into the current Wednesday. Taking a challenge to that topside level for sterling, found still supply around that 122.0515 trend line. In light of the pattern, though, I still feel there is potential. The market is rounding here slightly and could see a break. And clearing that level would see a move up towards 122 to 123. As the market now braces for another heavy economic data event, which will be Super Thursday, with all eyes on the Bank of England, which is expected to hold rates of 5.25. Moving on to gold, the market was somewhat negative after attempting to take the challenge to the top side around that 2000 area. The market retreated once again from the key level of 2006.12 and posted an engulfing candle. Along with that, also took out the support level, which was at 1987. This has reaffirmed the bearish outlook in terms of the RSI breaking down and could see a move now to 1968.71 and a base holding in the short term around 1950. Any upside attempts I feel will be contained by or at least by a bearish ambush around 2000. Wrapping up with oil, the market took out the key level of $82 a barrel and now reopens the downside case to 78.2545 from the last 2 bearish candles, and also with the RSI retreating from the midway point, and the MACD is also negative, does support the case to the negative sentiment, and therefore I feel any upside attempts should be limited around $82 as a cap. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoyed a great start to the day.